Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam, 22nd December 2025, Monday, Margari Masam 7th. Vishwa Vasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Hemantarado, Margari Masam, that is Dhanur Masam, Shukla Paksham, Thidi up to 10:49 am Dudiyai, then Tridiyai. Monday, Somavasaram, Nakshatram up to next day morning, that is tomorrow morning 5:35 am, Uttradam, then Thiruvonam. Today's Rahukalam is 7:30 to 9 am, Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon, Guliyagalam 1:30 to 3 pm, good time 9 to 10:30 am, then 5 to 5:30 pm. Today's sunrise 6:31 am. Chandrashtamam up to 10:32 am, Rishabha Rashi, then Midhuna Rashi. Shulam East, Prachitam Kard, Sradhatidi Tridiya. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Maharajnyai Namaha.